welcome to my first YouTube video where I show the behind the scenes of my small baking business that I run on Facebook. I specialize in cookies and cake pops, so in this video I will be showing you different example sets that I'm making for my social medias to make them look more professional. And I even show my new camera that I got in this video, which is what I'm using to film with now, which is really exciting because I've never had a nice professional camera, and honestly that is taking my business to the next level with taking photos of my work after I'm done making the cookies, because the advertising with this camera just by posting the photos on social media is really doing me justice. So as you can see right here, I have different example sets of cookies that I will be posting on my social media. And this is the perfect icing consistency. I call it toothpaste. And I just kind of wanted to add that in the video because that's very important when it comes to cookies. So right now I set up my camera on this little tripod and I'm just showing that this is how I'm going to put the camera for my specific angle when I'm icing the cookie. And I'm just really excited here because it used to be a TikTok light and then I unscrewed it and put my camera on it. So when I say example sets, I just mean a few cookies that I can ice that are the same theme, so my customers know what kind of cookies I'm able to make and they have some sort of idea for their event that they're ordering for. So for example, baby shower is a very common theme that I get, so here I make some baby shower themed cookies. I have bottles, bibs, and onesies to post, so people know that I'm able to do those. I've always loved baking when I was little, and actually I have come to realize that all of my favorite things when I was little revolved around baking or cooking. For example, my favorite princess movie was Sleeping Beauty because of the 15-layer cake that the fairies make. So I've always loved baking, and I just recently started a Facebook account to make my hobby a little bit more professional so people can order from me on my Facebook account, which is why I wanted to also start a YouTube to be able to post my treats for other people to see so they can easily order and I can get more customers. My Facebook is a great place to put prices and updates and just kind of remind people that I'm there by posting my stuff. That's great marketing, but I think the next step for me after this YouTube channel is a website. So really I wanted to make these example sets to have something to post on my website that's going to be worth posting, meaning the photos that I can be taking of these cookies with the new camera that I just got. This is a method that I just learned about painting on cookies and how to paint on cookies and how to make edible paint with water or vinegar and food coloring. So I wanted to try this out and see how I liked it, especially because these cookies weren't for any specific customer. So I thought this was really fun and I had a really fun time with this painting. The baking videos that will be on this channel moving forward are going to be orders that I have for the weekends that I choose to record. I would really like to do my best to stay consistent with recording. So I already have a couple of videos lined up ready to post after this one that are just orders that I've had for a couple different weekends. And it's also kind of a tutorial for anybody else who is watching that also does cookies. You can kind of see the way that I do it in my method, which is kind of fun because I learned mostly all of my stuff on YouTube as well. I would also be open to making any other baking content that anybody would suggest, but for now, I think I'm just going to post the orders that I'm already doing, which are going to be cookies and cake pops. Now here I am washing the dishes. This is a really behind the scenes video. I will not be washing dishes in my other videos. It's going to be a little bit more straight to the point with exactly the process of the cookie. But here you can see I'm taking photos of the example sets to put on my website. So something that I learned is that it's really important to have natural light and to take pictures of your cookies in the morning. So I just kind of made my own white backdrop, and this is where I'm taking the photos. And here's how they turned out. So I was very happy with them. These photos are a lot more professional and better looking than an iPhone. And these were all of the example sets that I made in this video. I know I didn't really do a tutorial for this video, but in my next videos, they will be specifically how I do each cookie for this set. This set is my favorite, actually. I love the way that the bees turned out with the painting. And I liked this set, but not the flowers so much. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching.